are 8 parts of speech in English. I had already covered the 2 parts of speech in English in my previous videos. Today I am going to cover the 3rd part of speech of English in this video, that is adjectives. So let's begin. Now, what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Now, what does this describe? It describes noun and tells us more about a noun. Let's see how. It tells us about quality, color, size, quantity, shape, etc. Now let's take few examples of it. Mohan is a tall boy. Tall is an adjective, and tall is also telling us about the quality of a person. So boy is a noun. Rahul is wearing a red shirt. So red is telling us about the color of the shirt. So shirt is also a noun. I have a big box. So big is telling us about the size of the box. So box is a noun. She has some water in her bottle. So some is telling us about the quantity of water in her bottle. So water is a noun. He has a square box. Square is telling us about the shape of the box. So box is a noun. Now let's talk about types of adjectives. The first type of adjective is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells us about the quality of a noun. Let's take few examples. Geeta is a clever girl. So clever is telling us about the quality of the girl. Mohan is an intelligent boy. So intelligent is telling us about the quality of the boy. Now the next type of adjectives is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells us about the quantity of noun, and we cannot measure adjective of quantity. So let's take few examples of it. She has little patience. How much patience? We cannot measure it. He has some rice in his poly bag. So some is telling us about the quantity, but we cannot measure it how much. Now let's talk about adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us about the number of noun. There is a difference between adjective of quality and adjective of number. That is the difference, that we cannot measure adjective of quantity, but we can measure adjective of numbers. So let's see how. I have 5 pencils. We can measure it. I have 5 pencils. There are 10 people standing in a row. I can measure it. There are 10 people standing in a row. So